I love about being a freelance illustrator is I get to work on really exciting briefs. I get to be in control of my day so I can structure that the way that I want, the way that works best for me. And I get to draw for a living, which is really fun. My creative process is pencil sketching, then digital drawing, refining that drawing, colouring it, and then bringing it into After Effects to animate it. As a digital illustrator, I use my computer for pretty much 90% of my work. If I could give any advice to young illustrators, try lots of things, develop your skills in a lot of different areas, be yourself and put that work out there and don't be ashamed to do so.